So I was in sixth form and I wanted to add a friend on Snapchat, but I didn't know their username. And I then found that this was a problem that affects the vast majority of Snapchat users. So I decided to take a gap year to solve that problem. So it's available on the App Store for both Apple and Google. The app's now called So Search for Social Media. It's the easiest way to find and add anyone on Snapchat. Yeah, it was great to win the award for the Young Entrepreneur Award because that was the award I was going for. And I didn't realise I was actually eligible for the other Higher Education Business Award, but it was fantastic to win that as well. And the application process was just a form, and then judges shortlisted who they wanted for the final. And then I was sent an email a few weeks later saying that I was a finalist. Tony Orme has provided lots of support to me throughout my time at university, and he's provided lots of support with the application, with filling it out, and then he took me to the finals. It was great to meet lots of other young entrepreneurs who are starting businesses or who've already got businesses. So I'm currently working on another business, which I'm hoping to found over the next summer, gain funding for, and then work on that. And I know what they are, I just can't say it.